Yo, what's up, YouTubers? Today I want to talk about is my car's making a weird squeaky noise, and I was wondering if anybody could tell me if they have any ideas what it is, because I've been for the last 6 months trying to figure this thing out, and I still haven't figured it out yet. I changed the lower ball joints about a year and a half ago. I just recently changed the upper ball joints. About 2 years ago, I replaced the rack and pinion because it had a bad leak in the rack and pinion, and my car couldn't even turn at all. So I replaced that, and then let me give you a little sample and see if you guys could on a comment below. See if you guys could let me know if you have any ideas what it could be. I mean, I also changed the shocks because they were pretty the stock shocks are pretty warped out. So I'm gonna turn on my car and give you a little here. So I'll be quiet right now. Alright, I'm gonna open my door and I'm gonna give you a better hearing of it. Oh no, it kind of sounds like my struts. Uh, I'm thinking maybe I need to lube them up more, but I have no idea. Maybe it needs better grease, cause I added some white lithium grease under the struts, and it seemed to help for a little bit, and then I don't know, then it came back again. So maybe if you guys can let me know on the comment below, and hopefully I can figure this thing out. Thank you.